Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. Welcome to a series of videos showing you how to use the FluxBuilder Agencies solution to create your own app builder. Previous videos show how to create an app builder and configure email information. Now let's create your customer accounts. Open your admin page link. For how to open your admin page, please refer to the video FluxBuilder Agencies number 1, Registration. Log in with your FluxBuilder account. On the Customers screen, select the Customer button to create a new one. Enter your customer information, such as email, name, avatar, etc. You have now successfully created a new customer. You can also create a customer account for your email. Enter a name or email to search for customers. You can add a product for this customer, delete the customer, or view all his products. When creating a new customer, an email will be sent to him. Let's log into his email to see the display of email. You can see all email information such as email, logo, footer that you configured on previous video, FluxBuilder Agencies number 2, Email Settings. Now we go to your app builder. For how to open your app builder page, please refer to the video FluxBuilder Agencies number 1, Registration. Log in with the customer account to view how your app builder looks. The customer will see this dialog only on the first login. This is the dashboard of your app builder. We will learn how to configure this dashboard screen in the next video. Now let's add a product for this customer so he can design his app. Go to your admin page, add a product for the customer. Input the website URL for which you want to create mobile app. With the Silver or Gold plan, you will enter the purchase code of FluxStore apps to activate the product. Without entering a purchase code, you can still add products to your customers. They can experience editing the app UI, but cannot save edits and build apps. With the Diamond plan, you can build unlimited apps. Feel free to contact hi@inspireui.com for more cooperation. For WooCommerce, you would enter the consumer key and consumer secret. Choose the FluxStore app you have purchased. In case you have not purchased any apps, leave them as default. You have now created one product for this customer. To edit or delete this product, click the View Products icon. Let's go to the App Builder to see how the app looks. Select the Home tab to see all layouts for editing the home UI of the app. The customer can also edit the app bar, tab bar, side menu, and app features. Ability to use full and unlimited app features, including VIP features. Now let's try another product and activate the purchase code. You can use the regular license to get full app features, including VIP features. If you would like to use your own app UI, on the Design config, select the Update button. Go to the App Builder to view the activated product. With the activated app, the Save button is visible. The Apply button is shown under Features, and the Auto Build feature is also available. Customers can log out of the App Builder by going to My Profile and selecting Log Out. That's all. Try FluxBuilder Agencies right now. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.